Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a Nintendo DSi with problem with the charge. It's not what you think. Stay tuned, it's not a very common fault and I will show you how to find a similar fault. As you can see, the ground it's not connected always. When I press down the charging port, the two grounds it's connecting each other, so something it's broken.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
So the pins it's not broken, so we need to follow the path from the positive to see if there is a problem with some components.
Going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be?
We check first if the pins it's right to connect with the motherboard.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
The first thing you must do is to add some more solder to the pins for the charger port, because sometimes the pins are broken. Just to be sure there is no problem with pins, I will add more solder. As you will see in a few moments, that it will do nothing. That's why I mentioned at the start of the video, it will be not common fault.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking.
Now I will follow the path from the negative to see where the connectivity stops. So I find this filter. I notice when I press the top left pin, have continuity. Most likely lost connection with the motherboard when the DSi dropped down. I will add some solder to see if the problem remains. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're